Hey guys, welcome back to the corner. It's Spanky, and I wanted to share with you something I picked up today. Hi guys. So I went to a yard sale on the way back from taking my mom to her doctor's office today to schedule for the other surgery she has coming up. And we stopped at a yard sale, and I found this book. It's A to Z Encyclopedia of Garden Plants. Here's the inside cover. Look at this, is amazing. And as much as I would love to cut it up for journals and such, I'm actually going to keep this book and use it for when I start gardening again. I think it's awesome. But I just wanted to share with you really quick on this. Oh, I used to grow those. Huh, that's funny. But yeah, so I thought it was a really good find. Definitely was worth $1 for me. I picked up another book. It was a dictionary for 25 cents. That's in the other room. But I just wanted to share this with you guys. It's just not a book I'm going to be cutting up. But thanks for checking out the video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.